Okay, that took care of our first component, soil erosion, and I got a chance. Hopefully that website was interesting to you. Like I mentioned, if you're doing a P-index, if you're being hired to do an official manure management plan, then you need to be doing the Russell and working with your local NRCS office. Okay, there are two other components. They're minor, but they do need to be considered as we look at the P-index to keep everybody happy. One is how much P is dissolved in that surface runoff. So that's going to take into account several things: a runoff curve from the NRCS, the county average precipitation, the soil test phosphorus, and that runoff factor. In other words, what is your current soil testing as far as P? Are you applying P to that soil as fertilizer? That needs to be taken into account. When is it applied? What is the method of application? We take the volume runoff times the concentration of phosphorus, and that's going to be the P reaching it. Next component we're going to do is subsurface. How much P is dissolved in that subsurface drainage. We use a 10% flow estimate. Is there tile in the land? Countywide average precipitation again, and again the soil pH level. It's got to be a pretty high level before it's actually going to end up dissolving in that water. Multiply those together, you can find out how much P is reaching through subsurface drainage. Add the three together. Again, the big one was that reaching the stream through the soil. That's the first one, but also dissolved in the water runoff and in our subsurface drainage. That gives me my total P loss from that field. All those, and you can see this is a spreadsheet we're going to work with you on our next assignment. There are erosion components on the left-hand side, the runoff components in the center, and the subsurface drainage components on the right-hand side as we look at it.